Hmm?
How are you? Are you doing fine?
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good. Okay. So today we will be starting with fractions. Do you know what fractions are?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, can you tell me what fractions are?
What are fractions? When you divide an object,
Nihara, I'm not able to hear you bacha, properly. You need to speak
what
little
are
louder.
fractions? The first we choose to divide the parts. The fractions look.
When we divide anything, we tell their parts fraction.
Sorry, when we divide anything? Dobara bolo.
We divide an object.
Nihara, don't look at mama. Look at me.
When we divide an object, their parts are called fraction.
Yeah, very good. When we divide an object into small parts, right? Okay. तो इसका फ्रैक्शन आप मुझे बताओगे? Can you see the screen? Okay. So let's say this is a pizza. Do you like pizza? Okay. Let's say this pizza has 8 slices. How many slices? 8 slices. And you ate 2 of them. तो बेटा कितने slices बचेंगे?
6.
6. तो उसका फ्रैक्शन कैसे लिखेंगे? Write it in the form of fraction ना, तो फ्रैक्शन कैसे लिखेंगे उसका?
Out of
6 out of 8.
how do you write it?
6 by 8.
6 by 8. Very good. Okay. चलो एक और करें. This is a rectangle.
Square. Rectangle.
Okay. I am shading few boxes. Okay. Now tell me the fraction for the shaded part. Fraction for the shaded part.
How many boxes are shaded?
3.
What will you write
And
it as?
total कितने boxes
Total, how many boxes are there?
3, 5.
How many boxes are there on total?
8.
So what will be the
8.
fraction?
So the fraction will be
3 by 8.
3 by 8. Very good. Okay, so you know what fraction is. Okay. Do you know we have different type of fractions?
Concentrate.
Nihara, do you know we have different type of fractions?
You know? Instead, I don't know.
No? Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, do you know what do we call the upper part and what do we call the lower part in this fraction?
Upper part is numerator and down part is denominator.
Very good. Upper part is numerator and the lower part is denominator. So we have 3 kinds of fraction. How many kinds of fractions?
3.
3 kinds. How many kinds?
3 kinds.
3 kinds. First is proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Second is improper fraction. And third is mixed fraction. Just note it down. When you are done noting, na tell me. I'll tell you कि होते क्या हैं ये.
Okay. आ रहा है वो फ्रैक्शन।
लिख लिया?
हम्म।
लिख लिया आपने?
हाँ।
हाँ, ओके। देखो, प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या होते हैं? व्हेन प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, वेट, देखो, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट पहले प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. Proper fraction is when denominator is greater than the numerator. क्या होता है? जब हमारा denominator is greater than the numerator, we have proper fraction.
जब कोई डिनोमिनेटर नोमिनेटर से बड़ा होता है तब उसको हम
Proper fraction कहते हैं. Can you give me an example of a proper fraction?
कोई सा भी दो.
9/2.
Denominator
No.
is greater, should be greater, no?
Denominator is greater, ना बेटा?
Denominator should be greater, no, Nihira? Give an example.
8/6.
Denominator should be greater. Denominator नीचे वाला बड़ा होना चाहिए ना ऊपर वाले से. Is 6 bigger than 8? Is
Nihara,
6
look
bigger
here.
than 8? Then
Okay, I'll give you two examples. Tell me which is proper and which is proper. Okay.
6/8. 3/8.
example बोलो फिर.
Which one is the proper one? इसमें से denominator किसका बड़ा है? Denominator बड़ा होना चाहिए ना बेटा. Denominator is this. 3 and 6 are the denominators.
मम्मा मुझे ध्यान से दिखाएगा.
Wait,
I'm sure.
अब दिख रहा है?
हाँ.
अब दिख
Which
रहा
one
है?
among those two are proper fractions, Nihira? Which one, whose denominator is bigger than the numerator?
This one.
Can you read that, please?
2/3.
2/3. Very good. 2/3 is the proper fraction because our denominator is greater. Okay. Yes, Mihira?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's do improper fraction. Improper fraction में our numerator is greater. Numerator is greater than denominator. Now, can you give me an example? हाँ, न्यूमिनेटर बड़ा होना चाहिए हमारा डिनोमिनेटर से. तो नाउ कैन यू गिव मी एन एग्जांपल?
8/6.
8/6. वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ लेट्स डू मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. ये थोड़े कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होते हैं. देखो, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में ना देखो क्या होता है. पहले तो हमारे पास एक फ्रैक्शन होगा. लेट्स से 4/5. ठीक है. अच्छा, पहले बताओ, दिस इज अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन?
Proper fraction.
प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. क्यों है ये प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन?
Because the numerator is small and denominator is big.
वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज अ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. अब देखो, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में क्या होता है. एक हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन होती है और यहाँ पे वी हैव वन अनदर नंबर. लेट्स से 2. हैव यू सीन दिस काइंड ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस?
Not yet. Not yet.
Not
She
yet.
hasn't.
Okay. So these are known as the mixed fractions. इसमें क्या होता है, एक हमारे पास फ्रैक्शन होता है और एक आगे नंबर होता है.
एक whole number और एक fraction होता है.
एक नंबर और एक होल नंबर. तो ये ऐसे भी. अच्छा, दिस इज अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. Now, can you tell me, is this a mixed fraction or not? Is this a mixed fraction, Hira?
नीचे क्या है?
1 3/2.
3/2.
Is it a mixed fraction or not? You have one whole number and one fraction.
Mixed fraction.
Yes, it's a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction mein we have two things, one whole number and one fraction. So this is the whole number. Yes. And this is the fraction. Now, we can also convert mixed fraction into a normal fraction. वो कैसे करेंगे? देखो, मेरे पास मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन है ना, उसको मैं नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकती हूँ. लेट्स से दिस इज द फ्रैक्शन आई हैव. दिस इज अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. नीरा,
Yes, ma'am.
इसको हम नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शन में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? विल मल्टीप्लाई 5 times 2. डू यू नो व्हाट इज 5 times 2?
What is 5 2s are?
10.
10. So we'll do 5 times 2, 10 plus 4. What is 10 plus 4?
14.
14. So this becomes 14 by 5. Now can you tell me, is this a is this a proper fraction or improper fraction?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. क्यों है ये improper?
Because the numerator is big and denominator is small.
Very good. Okay. चलो, let's convert this one. चलो, इसको पहले नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. क्या करेंगे? पहले होल नंबर से डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो इसमें किसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे निहारा?
3 से 1 को.
हाँ, 3 से 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा?
3.
3. फिर क्या करेंगे? उसमें न्यूमरेटर ऐड करेंगे. तो क्या ऐड करेंगे हम?
Numerator.
हाँ, तो
Add
क्या
करो.
है हमारा न्यूमरेटर?
5.
You,
बेटा न्यूमरेटर.
she's giving the direct answer. 3 plus 2 5.
Okay, 5. So the fraction will become 5 by 3. Yes, Nihara?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Let's try one more. Let's do this. Okay. Convert it into a proper fraction and tell me the answer.
10 into 1, 10. 12 by 10, ma'am.
12 by 10. Okay. Now tell me what kind of fraction is this? Is this a proper fraction or improper fraction?
Improper.
Improper fraction. Very good. Okay. Nihara, अभी तक हमने we learned 3 type of fractions. Name them.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Name them.
Proper fraction, improper fraction,
Mixed.
mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction.
Mixed
ठीक है?
fraction.
Proper fraction क्या होता है? समझाओ मुझे नहीं आता.
Proper fraction 4 by 5.
You have to say what happens in it. She's not asking for an example. होता क्या है उसमें?
आपको मुझे बताना है कि मैम ये होता है proper fraction. क्या होता है?
When the numerator is small and denominator is big, we call proper fraction.
Very good. What is improper fraction?
When numerator is big and denominator is small, we call improper fraction.
Very good. और mixed fraction कैसा दिखता है? क्या क्या होता है हमारे पास mixed fraction में?
Whole number.
हाँ, whole number और एक whole number होता है और दूसरा क्या होता है?
Denominator.
Fraction.
Fraction. तो mixed fraction में we have two things, one whole number and one fraction. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So let's do one more question. Classify the following as proper, improper, and mixed fraction. Okay, so ओके, नाउ टेल मी इसमें से कौन सा प्रॉपर है, कौन सा इम्प्रॉपर है और कौन सा मिक्स्ड है.
2/3 is proper.
ओके,
6/10 is proper.
वेरी गुड.
14/5 is improper.
वेरी गुड.
The 5, 2, and 6 are mixed fraction.
वेरी गुड.
And 10/8 is improper fraction.
वेरी गुड.
Yeah.
The 6, 5, 10 is mixed fraction.
Very good. Now, can you convert mixed fraction into the normal fraction? Convert this one and tell me the answer.
5, 2, and 6.
हाँ, 5, 2, and 6.
First, 6/2.
6 into 2.
6 into 2. Then 12. Then 12 plus 5 will be 2. 13, 14, 16, 17 will come. Then 17/6.
Very good. 17/6. Now, it's a proper fraction or improper fraction?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Very good. Okay, convert f also.
F also.
This one. Convert this.
First we will do 10 into 5.
Hmm.
Then 50. Then 50. We will add 6 into 50. 56. 56 by 10. This is improper fraction.
This is improper fraction. Very good. Okay. Let's do one more question. Okay.
Okay.
Concentration.
Write the fractions for the shaded part.
Fraction is not the parcels में. And how many are? What will be the
2/4.
5.
Ma'am, 2/4.
Very
Yes.
good. 2/4. Next one.
Next one कितने parts है उसमें?
Next one,
Triangle में कितने parts हैं?
4.
How many are colored?
1/4.
8.
1/4.
1/4, ma'am.
Very good. Next one.
How many parts are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 2 by 6, ma'am.
2 by 6. Very good. Okay. Now, okay, I'll give you one word problem. This is little difficult, okay? Read the question very carefully. Okay, Nihari? Nihara?
Mihira it is.
Mihira. Okay, I'm so sorry. Chalo, let's do this. Raj ate 5 by 12 parts of pizza. How many parts are left?
How
Mira,
many
first
parts are
read the
there
question
together?
and tell me what is given. क्या दिया हुआ है इसमें?
Total कितने parts हैं?
Total दोनों को मिलाना है।
How many parts are there in total?
30.
नहीं दिख रहा है denominator में उतने parts हैं. How many parts are there?
12.
He ate how many of
12.
them? How many are remaining?
7. 7, ma'am.
7. Very good. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, chalo, let's try one more.
डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं पता ना।
Concentrate.
Asha is baking a cake. She has 5 cups of sugar. She added 3 cups to the cake. What fraction of sugar she added?
Tell me the fraction. 5 cups were there. I added 3.
3 by 5.
3 by 5. And she is left with how many cups?
2.
2. So what's the fraction of the left sugar?
What will be the fraction of the left sugar?
2 by 3.
नहीं, 2 by
5.
हाँ.
2 by
2
5.
by 5.
Because out of 5 cups, she added 3. And what will be the remaining out of 5? Then okay.
बोलो Nihara.
2 by 5.
2 by 5, yes. See, it's very simple. Okay. Now, Nihara, do you know what equivalent fractions are? Equivalent fractions, beta.
1 by 2 equivalent to 2 by 4 equivalent to 3 by 6. Remember? We did?
This line will take you relevant.
That is decimal line. Well, she doesn't remember. She did read a part of it, but not much. She was
Okay.
introduced to the concept, but she's not very familiar with this simplification and all. Not yet.
Okay, she's not very familiar with the simplification. No problem. Okay. So, Nihara, okay, let's do this. First, let's learn to simplify the fractions. Okay. First, we will learn simplifying the fractions. Nihara, आपको टेबल कहाँ तक आते हैं बेटा?
12 तक.
12 तक. Very good. Okay. So let's simplify the fractions. This is a fraction we have. 9 by 6. Do you have any idea how do we simplify? Do you remember थोड़ा सा भी? थोड़ा सा?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. So in simplifying the fractions now, we see कि हमारा न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर कौन से टेबल में आता है. 9 और 6 किसी टेबल में आते हैं?
3 table में.
3 की टेबल में. 3 times what is 9?
3 by 3 times 3.
3 times
9.
3 is 9. So when I simplify this now, what I'll write is, I'll write 9 की जगह 3, and 3 times what is 2? Sorry, 3 times what is 6?
3 times 2 is 6.
3 times 2 is 6. So I can write 6 की जगह 2. So when I simplify this, I'll get 3 divided by 2. So this is the new fraction. When I simplify 9 by 6, I'll get the new fraction, which is 3 by 2. Okay? You only have to remember one thing. Whenever we simplify the fractions, we simplify numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay? We make sure कि दोनों same table में आते हो. Are you getting my point? Are you
We
getting
should
my
have both
point?
numerator and denominator in the same table. और नया
Okay.
same number से simplify करना है.
Okay.
Okay, we just make sure कि दोनों हमारे same number table में आते हैं. Let's do one more example. Okay, let's say we have 12 by 15. Is 12 and 15 comes in same table?
Yes.
Which table?
Which table? इसी table में तो आता है ना same. दोनों आते हैं.
अभी तो आपने बोला yes. Which table बेटा? 12 and 15?
3.
3. Very good. 3 times what is 12?
4. 3 times
4.
4 is 12.
And 3 times what is 15?
3 times 5 is 15.
So my new fraction will be
4 times 5.
4 by
4
5.
by
By 5.
5. Very good. Okay, let's try one more. 6 by 8. 6 by 8 हमारे किसी सेम टेबल में आते हैं?
6 by 8.
6 और 8 आते हैं सेम टेबल में?
करो. First table.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
know it? हाँ, कौन सी टेबल में?
1 6 are 6. 8. 1 8 are 8.
उसके
No.
बाद भी.
Except 1 को छोड़ के. आते हैं, आपको पता है? थोड़ा सा सोचो.
2 table.
2 के टेबल में. Very good. And 2 times what is 6?
3.
3. And 2 times what is 4?
4.
Okay, yeah, I also told that. Okay, so what's the new fraction? New fraction will be
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Very good. Let's try one more. थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी करें. चलो. 22 divided by 66. 22 और 66 किसी की टेबल में आते हैं?
11 table.
11 की टेबल में. Very good. What is 11 times something is 22?
11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 6 is 66.
Very good. So what will be the
Fraction
new
will be?
fraction?
2 by 6.
Okay, now we have 2 by 6. Can I simplify 2 by 6 more? 2 and 6 किसी की टेबल में आते हैं? सेम टेबल में?
Yes. 2 table में.
2 की टेबल में. Very good. 2 times what is 2?
2 times 1 is 2.
And 2 times what is 6?
2 times 3 is 6.
So the new fraction will be?
1 by 6.
1 by
1 by 3.
Very good. 1
Three.
by 3. So this is the new fraction. Okay. Chalo, let's try one more, and this will be the last question for today. Okay. 72 divided by 60.
70 divided by 60. 6 table.
6 की टेबल में ठीक है. कैसे आते हैं बताओ, किस पे आते हैं?
6 times 10 is 60 and 6 times 12 is 72.
So the new fraction will be
10 by 12.
9, 12 by 10.
मतलब 12 by 10.
हाँ 12 by 10. Can I simplify this again? Can I?
Yes, yes.
Yes. By which number? कौन सी टेबल में आते हैं?
2 table.
2 की टेबल में. Very good. तो क्या आएगा? What will be my new fraction? Now tell me the new fraction directly.
6 by 5.
6 by 5. Very good.
This is improper fraction.
This is improper fraction. Very good. Okay. Now Niharika, just to summarize the class, what we did in today's class, tell me. क्या क्या सीखा आज हमने?
Fraction.
हाँ,
Types
okay.
of
Fractions में क्या
Types
सीखा?
of fraction.
Types of fractions. Very good. Types of कौन से type होते हैं?
Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction. Very good. Acha. Now you tell me, in which fraction we have denominator bigger than the numerator?
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. Very good. And in which fraction we have one whole number and one fraction?
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction. Very good. Okay. Now, what else we learned today? अभी हम क्या कर रहे थे?
Simplification.
Simplification.
Simplification of fractions. Very good. तो क्या करना होता है हमें simplification में? What do we do?
पहले हमें देखना होता है कि किस टेबल. First, we have to see in which table both number is coming.
Both number is coming. Okay. Then
We have to change the number.
To simplify it.
हाँ,
We have to simplify it.
we have to simplify it. And we simplify it till what point? कब तक simplify करते हैं? जब तक ऐसा ना आ जाए दोनों नंबर एक भी टेबल में ना आए.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Chalo. I hope you enjoyed today's class, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.
Yes, sir.